I'm calling upon the President as the Commander-in-Chief of all the Armed Forces of the Philippines, as well as Secretary Gilbert Teodoro, to immediately craft guidelines for the creation of a West Philippine Sea Command.
Iyan ang naging panawagan ni re-election ni Senator Francis Tolentino kina Pangulong Bongbong Marcos Jr. at Defense Secretary Gilbert Teodoro. Bunsod ito ng patuloy na panghimasok ng Chinese vessels sa karagatan ng Pilipinas. Paliwanag ni Tolentino, ang kanyang panukalang West Philippine Sea Command ay hiwalay sa Western Command at Northern Luzon Command ng Armed Forces of the Philippines na kasalukuyang may jurisdiksyon sa pagbabantay sa West Philippine Sea.
Palawan and the areas adjoining Panatag and Ayungin are under the Westcom. Bajo de Masinloc, which is near Zambales, is under NOLCOM.
Diin ng senador, panahon na para maipatupad ang isinulong niyang Philippine Maritime Zones Act kung saan malinaw na nakasaad ang territorial waters at exclusive economic zone ng Pilipinas. Ang batas ay alinsunod sa 1982 Law of the Sea Convention o UNCLOS at 2016 Arbitral Tribunal ruling na pumabor sa Pilipinas. Paliwanag ni Tolentino, isinulong niya ang batas para sa seguridad ng teritoryo ng bansa at para na rin sa mabilis na pagtugon at koordinasyon ng Philippine Navy, Philippine Coast Guard at Philippine National Police sa mga kaganapan sa rehiyon.
It is about time, for purposes of implementing the Philippine Maritime Zones Law, that we create our own, a new command, which is the West Philippine Sea Maritime Command for Maritime Security, because this, for the first time, we referred to the West Philippine Sea in that Philippine Maritime Zones Law, for improved response capabilities for both the Philippine Navy and the Philippine Coast Guard, and enhanced coordination between those two naval agencies, including the Philippine National Police Maritime Command.
Ayon kay Tolentino, ang China ay may isang command lamang ng People's Liberation Army na nagbabantay sa inaangkin nilang bahagi ng West Philippine Sea.
So makikita nyo ngayon, for purposes of response, ay magkahiwala yung NOLCOM at magkahiwala yung Westcom. Di ba dapat gawin na lang natin isa? So yung po, kung meron kayong gustong makuha sa aking mungkahi ngayon na bago, ayun po yun. Create a West Philippine Sea Command. We're confronted with the Southern Theater Command of the PLA. Isa lang sila. Tayo, iba doon, iba dito. Isahin na lang natin yun. Di ba? So, paano nyo pa-explain? It will now improve our response capabilities because a dedicated command would provide focused leadership, resources, and operational capabilities to address security challenges such as yung mga nangyayari ngayon, including piracy and illegal fishing.
Bagamat mayroon ng Interagency Task Force on West Philippine Sea, naniniwala si Tolentino na mas maipapatupad ang Philippine Maritime Zones Act kung may puwersa ang AP na nakatutok sa West Philippine Sea.
Pero mas maganda meron ng permanency. Establishing a dedicated command would strengthen the AFP's capacity to safeguard national interests, enforce sovereignty, and ensure the security of our maritime domain, taking into consideration the recently enacted Republic Act 12064 and 12065.
Dagdag pa ni Tolentino, hindi na kailangan ng batas upang mabuo ang West Philippine Sea Command. Sa isang pagtitipon sa Cavite araw ng Biyernes, ibinahagi ni Tolentino na nagpasabi na sa kanya si Pangulong Marcos Jr. na pag-aaralan ang kanyang panukala. Janice Cosio, Radio Inquirer Online, bayang nagtatanong, mamaya nag-uusisa.